how you can send high quality videos on WhatsApp. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first, open up your WhatsApp, and as you can see, I've just sent a video, and if you open it, the quality is being dropped. So for you to not let this happen, what you'll want to do is go to photos and open the very same video. So let us go to our photos and open the video. So right there you will see a share button on the bottom left. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see a lot of options. Now here what you'll want to do is you'll want to save this video to your files. Tap on save to files and just save it. And after it gets saved, what you'll want to do is open up your WhatsApp again and just select on this plus icon right here and select a document. Now after you select a document, just tap on choose from files, and after you do that, there you will see your video. Tap on it and just tap on done, and after you tap on done, your video will get sent as a file. So right there, as you can see, it is getting sent as .mov. That means the quality will not get dropped and it will get sent at a high quality. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.